Hello, dear students. I hope that you all would be doing good. Students, let's start in the name of God, which is the most merciful and gracious. Students, in today's class, you will learn about the modal verb might have, its use in English, and the translation, its definition, and its synonyms and antonyms. So let's have a look on might have. स्टूडेंट्स आज की क्लास में आप सीखेंगे मॉडल वर्ब माइट हैव का इस्तेमाल। सबसे पहले हम इसका फार्मूला जानने की कोशिश करेंगे, फिर इसका इस्तेमाल, इसकी डेफिनेशन और इसके सिनोनिम्स और एंटोनियम्स। आइए देखते हैं कि माइट हैव का यूज़ किस तरह किया जाता है इंग्लिश में। The formula for might have is subject plus might have plus verb third form plus object. Its identification in Urdu is हो सकता था और शायद. Now let's have a look. What is might have in a sentence? Might have is used to express the possibility of something occurring in the past. Translation of might have. Its noun is glory and might. Its meaning in Urdu is azmat. Now let's have a look on definition of might have. The power, authority or resources wielded as by an individual or group. Then the second definition is the power, energy or intensity of which one is capable. Now let's have a look on synonyms for might have. The synonyms for might have are energy, firepower, force, horsepower, muscle, potence, potency, power and strength. The antonyms for might have: impotence, impotency, powerlessness and weakness. Students, let's see how to make sentences by using might have. The first sentence is they might have wasted their time. शायद वो अपना वक्त ज़ाया करते. The next sentence is they might have punished us. हो सकता था वो हमें सज़ा देते. असलम might have gone to Karachi. शायद असलम कराची चला जाता. We might have informed you about this decision. शायद हम आपको इस फैसला से आगाह करते. आमिर might have bought a new smartphone. शायद आमिर एक नया स्मार्टफोन खरीदता. Students, let's have a look that how to make negative sentences by using might have. The first sentence is Jamil might not have told a lie. हो सकता था जमील झूठ ना बोलता. The next sentence is they might not have worked in this office. हो सकता था वो इस दफ्तर में काम ना करते. The farmers might not have irrigated the fields. हो सकता था किसान खेतों को पानी ना देते. I might not have argued on this matter. शायद मैं इस मसले पर आपसे बहस ना करता. It might not have rained today. हो सकता था आज बारिश ना होती. Since it was all about the use of might have, I hope that you enjoyed it and you found it helpful. Keep learning English with e.English. Let's see in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and your beloved one. God bless you. Bye bye.